Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase Montjuic cable car tickets online. So if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long lines, you can purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see in the description of this video. So go ahead and open up that link. It's going to take you to this page right here from where we can get started with purchasing the tickets by clicking the check availability option right here. So we're going to click on this button in the bottom right corner. That's going to enable us to take a look at all the available dates we can purchase the tickets for. So let's say I want to purchase tickets for the 10th right here. I'm going to select the date and then I can go ahead and select what kind of tickets I want. Let's say adult tickets, one adult ticket, and now we can go to the next page by clicking the next button. Here you can see similar experiences that you can go ahead and save money on. If you're not interested, just click no thanks and click next. So it's going to take you to this page from where we are going to go ahead and be able to provide our first name, last name, phone number, and so on. So fill out all your personal details, and once you have done so, click next to go to the payment page. In the payment page, it's going to open up this new menu where you can take a look at all the payment options you have. So you have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. You can choose whichever one suits you the most. I'm going to click debit and credit card, and it's going to open up this menu from where we can get started filling out our info. So once you have filled out all your info and click the pay button, you're going to purchase the tickets, and the tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your accounts right here. So there you have it guys. Go into the description of this video, find the first link and open it up to go ahead and get started getting your tickets. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.